Okay, good afternoon, judges and all the. Good afternoon, judges, ladies and gentlemen. I'm pleased to be here to welcome you to our presentation. We are Team Flames. I'm the team leader, Li Duo, and the other team members forming on Yang Qinxin and Mei Taikai. Firstly, I'm going to show you our site analysis. We went to the site and summarized SWOT analysis report. The SWOT stands for strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. The strength is that we have a convenient transportation. It nears MRT and walk by 3 minutes only. And the site is well connected by major highways, which are the Changi Avenue 1 and the Upper Changi Road East. The weakness is that it's away from the city. So for the customers from the city, it takes time to go there. The opportunity is it has a large site area. So except for exhibition, we can use it for commercial use, such as shopping mall and restaurant. The threat is noise pollution because it's near the airport, so frequent aircraft will affect the humans and the buildings. Okay, this slide is our design concept process. The first one on the top left corner is our beginning of the design concept. Design concept should be based on fresh ideas, saving money, energy, and more importantly, buildability. So the first one, it is inconvenient for customers to go through each halls and do not have enough space for car park lots. The second one, we improve some parts, but it also inconvenient for space and facilities loading. And third one is almost our final design because the limits of our gross floor area, so we change to the fourth one. The fourth one is our final design. Next one is design massing. My friend will carry on.
Now I would like to present about the design massing. We have designed a 2-story convention hall. This is indicated with the yellow color at the both sides. There is a 2-story hall. Total hall is a 8 hall. And at the center, we have indicated with the red color. There will be 3 stories for the retail and shopping center. Retail and shopping center. We have at the top of the shopping area, there will be have a roof garden. The people can accept and can play around. People can play around. The next one is energy. I would like to present about the energy analysis. We have study about how the sun goes through the building, how the go through using the EcoDust software. For building information, the total gross floor area of the building is 155,000 and 894 meters square. We also provide the car lot is 1,284 lot, included 12 handicap car park lot. The 60% of the building is used for convention hall. 40% of the building is used for the retail and shopping center area. The estimate cost for the costing for the entire project for the building is $298 million using cost 8 software. We generate to come out this cost result. This is a architecture model. At the side of the building, we have a loading bay for the convention hall. The front and side of the building, where we have some at this side and behind, and at the side where we have a green, the garden, we have a garden and some tree. At the car park, we like to plant at the 1 tree and 1 tree where we plant 2 to 3 meter spacing. In this year. I show the plant, the tree for the cover is around there, but no, yeah. Now I have finished present about the design machine and energy analysis, building information and architecture model. Now my friend May will continue about the structure.
After completing the Anki, structural design is followed by. We start the structure from the foundation using high foundation sources pipes because the load to be carried is probably big and it is near the MRT station. For the floor slabs, we use the laser big slabs on grade and the remaining are the same size because to resist the upper weight of the various load. And then we put the columns and beam properly, and we use the cylinder columns for designs. As all the exhibition hall are same area, we use the same size of columns and beam so that it is more effective for buildability, for the more purpose of buildability. The front back of the shopping mall and the side of the exhibition hall are designed by cutting wall, and the remaining are the structural wall. We put the trusses to resist the weight of the roof. To be economical and save time, we prefer using of precast features elements. Here is some Calistos videos of designs, programs. It takes just 1 minute. Let's watch together. Now I will pass to my participant to present mechanical design.
Now I will introduce the MEP part of our project. So from this slide, you can see we did the aircon system, lighting system, and the plumbing system for the expo. The expo have 8 convention halls and a 3-story shopping mall. For the convention house, each 2 houses we just share one chiller unit. It can save energy and more environmental friendly. For the shopping mall, the chiller unit we will be put on the level 1. And the next one is our lighting system. For the convention hall, we know the different performances or activities may have different requirements of the lighting. So we just do the basic lighting system. And every hall we have one control panel, and we will adjust the lighting system in accordance with the requirements of exhibition. For the plumbing system, every level we have 4 public toilets. Between the shopping mall and the convention house. Every toilet is a specification with universal design. It has standard rooms for male and female, and also have the handicap. The next slide is about the clash detection. We use Navisworks software to do the clash detection. This software can find all the issues, we read the report, and fix the problems. There have some examples. You can look these 2 pictures below. The problem is that the column size is not same with others. So we find it and change the column size. When we finish the modeling, we can use the Navisworks to find out the issues between the structure and the MEP model, or architecture and the structure. It helps us to ensure our project to be more perfect. Okay, I will pass to my leader.
So this is the final model we combine together, including architecture model, structure model, and MEP model. We use 3D Max for rendering. You can see this, the left one is the front view, and the other one is the back view. You can see a car park there. Okay, I will pleased to be answer any question you may have at the end of the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you for the presentation. Any questions for the team? Anyone want to ask about Expo?
I have a question. Maybe you go back to your architectural drawing. I just want to check, okay, this EXPO, okay, is that going to be a steel structure or what? Or is it just for visual purpose?
It's a visual purpose.
Oh, so you're not going to put a steel structure that big there?
Yeah, yes.
But there's not going to have an Expo wording there, huh? You're going to put a signboard?
Yeah, this is a signboard.
Okay, a very big signboard.
Yes.
Do you have any energy efficiency?
Yeah, this is the SunPass. We use Ecotech. We generate our model into the Ecotech.
Do you have enough time to do the green mark assessment at one of the requirements that must be a gold class at least? Did you have time to do that?
We have a green roof on the top of the building. can see from the middle of the building, just like a sky garden.
Any further questions for the team? Eric? Or if not,
Just check you did your MEP model. I saw all the findings, everything. So when you do it, you just did it. Do you refer back to the Archie model when you do this, or you just did a conceptual kind of thing? How do you actually collaborate between the Archie and the MEP?
Firstly, we finished the Archie model, and the structure designer and MEP designer, we linked the software, we linked the model into their software and use it. Yeah. So we based on the Archie model.
So that means just now your diagram you actually had the walls, everything. Then you
Yeah, this is some example.
so you
of
just
that.
remove the wall and show as a presentation.
Yeah.